Ebusian for aha Ghana Sem TV GH. Message like, comment, subscribe with a no notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Ebusian for Honorable Kennedy Ohini Japan, aka Malafaka, aka Minti Obia, aka Agamani, aka Asin Dumping Elon Musk, aka Fosu Bill Gates. Oh, because papa say, "I want to take care." Basi. But we have to break the news to you. I have Vimlady. She has been kind of passing commentary on MPP internal primaries. Now, while we study MPP internal dynamics, we say primary way there, as a bloody back kakra. Then there is a lot of antagonism between especially Honorable Kennedy Japan's camp and then Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia's camp. A lot of so you even think sometimes say a election between two different political parties. Now within this antagonism, no, a lot of mass casualties are happening. I mean, people speaking their minds anyhow. I mean, you saw how Honorable Ajwa Safo Sema Bekaye Okawiye no and arrested Subeyanu and all those. And the Vimlady was kind of like trying to defend Honorable Ken say if sometimes the punches have been too hard. But I am happy say on what Vimlady soon consider say that politics of open attack our MPP Mudie, it can be traced to none other than Honorable Kennedy Japan himself. Kase, I didn't MPP for me, Jimmy for. I mean, I didn't make even. I belong to. I don't even know how come I belong to MPP and all those things. Those were the words of Honorable Kennedy Ohini Japan. Attacking people, I'll give you a shutdown. Me don't me. Hey, I could afford to me. But tremono, nini na Kennedy Japan. And see, how are people going to defend you now that you are being served a taste of your own medicine? It is hard. It is hard. Now, Dodwana cannot wait for 31st January. We are just waiting for 31st January to come quickly so that we can be done with all this. Because bread, it is sometimes it is sickening. It's nauseating. Nyama ekosu MPP mu. The kind of antagonism, the rivalry that has become so bitter. Last so kote se na Honorable Kennedy Japan kasa or TV so no, to say the man is so bitter. I say Jacko bitters. Bas. Like I say, you say, I bitter to say a Jacko bitters. Now for. Let's go and see the commentary that Vimlady ran on this one. Don't go anywhere. I'll see you in the next one. Hi, Ghana TV GH. Cheers.
UCC Valley View. Napo has really invested in the youth. Our Muko school, especially the youth from Ashanti region. Enti, sa setofo Napo so de ko Bawumia no. Very silent because Yama Napo bone akata ne papa ne so we don't see the asset he's also bringing to Bawumia team no. Enti that's also a very good one there. What's about Bawumia mu protected? Enti na make say na Bawumia na kasa ne asset na owo no. As against Kennedy Japan, so the assets are one in strength. Only a few weaknesses. No, Bawumia does not need a Abronya to be attacking opponents. Say the Abronya attacking, not Toshi, wa attacking, not Toshi Kunu, wa attacking Kennedy Japan. But how can they say so? Now we are a mistake because we make be an uncle for sending message if ya Kennedy Japan that this form la ne buy. Yeah, attacking opponents. And Obi cancer pay na me who the because it's true. This politics of say about can be actually for Kennedy Japan and the Bible. You see, Kennedy Japan, people manifest you. And you can't come and use this against him because Kennedy Japan was doing it for MPP. He wasn't doing it internally against MPP, but he was doing it for MPP against NDC. The only one at Kennedy Japan against MPP was a first and Cape, or something with MPP for Kroya. And you can't come back now and use this against Kennedy Japan. And I've run it David run to program say, what's so trying? This the battle now, Educhu Monam Cheng. Dr. Brian Champon, no, a young man, oh, baby, one any or chance a mummy and Baomia come the Canada Japan, Messi Apua. No, actually, it's a yeah. We're preparing where we are marketing where you know about him. And so, only baby, sir, or by time Brian Champon, Cacrab into honor so you can. Oh, yes, a caca, Ewan in him. And despite a EFS and a point of any dino. Anyone wants to the mistake here and then on Canapo could have positioned himself very well as the heir apparent in 2032 and 2028. But Napo, Niaman Kitibia, on why any the comfort branding against himself. He has to do a lot of work to revamp. Naseme PRB about Napo is very good for him. So Twasu, no, you're consistent, no man refi. Some of the things he did that Napo can really come back as MPP presidential candidate. That is Sebaomienya. Napo can come back. Sebaomienya 2028. Napo can come back 2032. And the bed thereof. Because I'm saying, Napo brought a lot of young people MPP move. So when it comes back in 2028, it will be time to take a year first and the rewards of what he had sowed, the seed that was so You see, and not bias, but the truth of the matter is, I know. Mrantia when we Canada Japan or Boam Rantia, the next person or Boam Rantia, MPP mo papa.
And I want to ask you a question. I will see in night time for one whole calendar year. Possibly the city. Cover what a bonnet year. The first one. That's 200,000 can be asked to come. But na me 200,000 na me no be
yeah ni adwam na court yi award sa cost no a the timelines be to ebra obetua ana obetumi asense say niam mu nye enti mami
after 7 days no so court ma judgment 7 days na automatic freeze en adwuma.
Okay,
after 7 days no you be enter cost no you say we enter the entire judgment and the cost. The interview, you must have with the entry.
Na sa oni bie eno de na si.
Oni bie o Japade.
Oh, efi akwa benya na mokoton.
Kwame, o Japade. Oni bie o Japade. Tino be ko Japade ho nya ko ton Japade na ya da.
Na mo other cases so ho.
Oh, she said so far they are carry Pandai. They are carry Pandai. And Pandai is Supreme Court on 13th of January.
Oh, okay.
Then no, something really happened. I found it quite interesting. When he said the court, Tamale, Miss Mebrepao. They called Tamale. I called motion to stay the judgment, for the Pandai one. I'm the judge and say, Papa. I think I will court was saying now only jurisdiction because election now your court December 7th no now gazette no 24th of December on the Pandai one the same as the Kotia one until the one party petition on 22 January no now fairly out of time and now on my feet me the whole gazette no the whole booklet no the man get because they could talk my judge, the man copy so on you. Oh, open court. So on you. I will be more. Okay, I say, all I say, the Supreme Court of Ghana. As you hear the judgment on the Akotia case, after me say, the Gazette is of the Akotia, 24th of December.
Ma Mimusadi bi. Why a judge ko bi a why high court judge dear. Sir, when it comes to authorities, when it comes to case law, when it comes to precedents, near the adin onimina. Nedu baby ana debe nesi.
Kwame, told I nani any the whole bonnet. And the whole bonnet. Because a judge should first of all satisfy yourself. Sir, you have jurisdiction to hear a matter before even you start it. Okay. As a matter of law, you must satisfy yourself. So we to me to even entertain the matter in the first place before you can start the matter. So what I say, and you know, with me charge as someone says, now run a whole 11 months and give a judgment. And I come to court after the judgment to tell you say you only jurisdiction. No, I don't know yet. e ya rasa na nya no be ruling on the state na we support one man e se o yare we support one na kwa me we support one na somebody high court judge we support one na but the Supreme Court has said suspend the rerun of the election. Welcome to court.
Was it judge in the court?
I know what you got on.
Now, one out a paper be man, a fat Supreme Court ruling near the day.
As I say,
so sin would the paper be ma, judge Bishop Onjums 1
I on the 10th night court.
Oh,
10th night court, you know. They could move motion for stay, no, so it's a judgment, you know. Maybe Gazette, you know, a man Gazette, no, original one. So when you know one say, no one said Gazette now make one seminal. The original Gazette, no, 24 December.
And no God, Oko baby, a Freedom Press 1 Albania.
The man copy, a man original copy. I'm not going to say we should take the man, so you know, I'm the man of Odia.
Was the Usain and
of the judgment in the school case. Try the man. And not be ruling the man who stay now, the OGR. What you got on that? Somebody has what you got on that.
Ah, never saw my arm your day.
I thought so, I don't pay out about the so, Yari. What's all Yari?
Add you.
What's all Yari? What you got on that?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir, Yari. And the more return date in the other bay.
There is no return date on that one. What's all Yari? What you got on that? It didn't give a date, you obey you in India. What you got on that? I mean, I'm not there. May come ra, may fight politics and come home. As if anything would know. Say, me come ra, I don't add politics. May come manufacturing. If you hang out with that. Let me come for quite before. I'm sorry, I become ra, and you're with that because the kind of Frenching, the Achomo, the I am a young with that. I'm a chair. I become a Frenching because I mean, Embrano, I am ra. Embrano, I am ra. I know what you got to run. See, no, Wama, okay, be a cross of Kaba, Nakazu. In view of the Supreme Court, and may High Court judge, I'm bound by it, and so therefore, be actually hands to say Supreme Court will be decided. And I want you put on Wama, High Court judge. Why she put on Wama?
May say be BMT as it stands now. Honorable Yindam, what I say, I'm not saying,
or your MP, then, Kwame, or your MP, then, or the good people of Pandai. The MP, then, Obia, who say, no, they are cautious, no, or the judgment nearby, no, the challenge that men of Supreme Court, no. Also, say, no, Supreme Court say that a prima facie case has been made by Yindam. Prima facie case has been made by Yindam. Because the Gazette was 24. The petition was filed on 25th January 2025. The petition, of course, was paid on 27th January 2025. The two are all out of time. Out of time. And the law says that time shall not be extended. Time shall not be extended.
Shall underlined.
Shall not be extended. Time shall not. That is PNC Law 284, section 18.3. Time shall not be extended.
Okay, FM 101.
Wow.
So when we show you the law, may chair will friend say the Gazette, no, the more original Gazette. If NDC for no war, Gazette be a original Gazette published by Ghana Publishing. Obviously Gazette on the year any other date other than 24 far. Okay, let them give you the original Gazette and let us see. If anybody in this country, whether NDC or whatever, so Gazette be a excess date no 24 far.
Being sure, sir, the copy NDC law has been repealed or amended.
Oh, that's the law enforcement. That's the law enforcement.
Oh, okay.
The same law now, the issue on the school case. May so rest in peace. The same law now, the issue. I will a friend of Martin Cosa case. The same law now, the issue here. I will Patagoma case. The same law now, the issue here. I will a friend of Central case. The same law now, the issue here. I will all the cases that came after the elections. I mean, do you know, sir, all the cases in the court in Then you know we NDP won all the cases.
Sir.
Oh. Say okay, some word ma now limit here. But the point I'm making is the law enforced is the same law, ELBC law 284. And then the law enforced. If you say the Unya Trabani year, not Electoral Commission, you bring the petition within 21 days for the notification, not after. Not after. So we are saying what the BHS the veterinary original that everything was competition in time. Over message on a phone. That is all. That is all. Okay. Martin in Dam, or your MP. That's our chief. That's your MP. Oh, finish. Pandai.
Council, Mamma, now I say, Namisin and Pamfamo.
You know, my bank, you know,
you better come up, maybe I near from Pacho.